ॐ नमो नमः। कथं भवन्ति पदानि? A study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Sunday, September 27, 2020. Glad to present this diagram about Katham Bhavanti Padani. Note, Padam means any word in a Sanskrit Vakyam. As such, a diagram speaks by itself and conveys more than what 1,000 words would. But I think it would be good to give my thoughts on what to read in this diagram. There are three boxes in the top right hand corner. They are sort of the legend. The first legend box is for Padani and has light brown background. In the diagram also there are three similar boxes of Avyayani, Subantaha, Tigantaha. One purpose of the diagram is to endorse that Padani are of these three types because the root words Padanam Mulani Trividhani Avyayani Pratipadikani and Dhatavaha. The three types of Padani are obtained from three types of Padanam Mulani by affixing Pratyayaha. In Avyayani, Pratyayaha are not visible, are invisible. Subantaha are obtained, Subandaha are obtained by affixing Supaha, that is Supratyaya. Tigantaha are obtained from Dhatavaha by affixing Tingaha or Ting Pratyaya. The second legend box in the top right hand corner with green background is Pratyayaha. In the diagram there are 5 such boxes: Tadhita Pratyayaha, Supratyayaha, Krut Pratyayaha, Krutaha, Supaha Krutaha, Tingaha and Sanadaya. The third legend box in top right hand corner, Navaprasangeshu Prakriyaha, which are denoted by numbered red arrows like this, arrow number 1. Tadhita Pratyayaha affix to Pratipadikani and generate new Pratipadikani. This involves processes, Prakriyaha. See red arrow number 1. Between Tadhita Pratyayaha and Pratipadikani, red arrow number 1. Supaha affix to Pratipadikani to generate Subantaha. Supaha Pratipadikani Subantaha, and that is red arrow number 3. The Krutaha, that is Krut Pratyayaha, affix to Dhatavaha to generate Krudantaha. This involves processes, Prakriyaha. See red arrow number 6. Tingaha, that is Ting Pratyayaha, affix to Dhatavaha to generate Tigantaha. The red arrow number 7. Sanadaya also affixed to Dhatavaha to generate atidesha dhatavah. This involves processes prakriya. See red arrow number 8. Types of sanadaya atidesha dhatavah is mentioned as 12, which includes a type as namadhatavah. Actually, these namadhatavah are obtained from pratipadikani. Hence, there is a curved red arrow about prakriyaha number 9. Pratipadikani dhatavah. For processes of how namadhatavah are generated. In the diagram, there is an oval box for pradayah upasargaha. Both are same, just that they are called as pradayah when they prefix pratipadikani. See red arrow number 4. They are called as upasargaha when they prefix dhatavah. See red arrow number 5. From pradayah upasargaha to dhatavah, red arrow number 5. In Vedic texts, the upasargaha are not necessarily connected to dhatavah. Note, pratipadikani have 4 sources. Number 1, pratipadikani by themselves. Number 2, by tadhita pratyaha. See red arrow number 1 between tadhita pratyaha and pratipadikani. Except tvantaha, lebantaha, tumantaha, most krudantaha are pratipadikani. Krudantaha are pratipadikani. See krudantaha pratipadikani. Except tvantaha, lebantaha, tumantaha, nulantaha. Tvantaha, lebantaha, tumantaha, nulantaha. These krudantaha function as avyayani. Compound words, samasaha. See red arrow of prakriya number 2. From anekaihi padaihi samasaha to pratipadikani, red arrow number 2. There are subantaha from all these pratipadikani, as declared in the grey box. Pratipadikebhyah supaha tatah subantaha sadaiva. Note, dhatavah have 3 sources. Dhatavah by themselves, then 2 by sanadaya pratyayaha. See red arrow number for prakriya number 8. Sanadaya dhatavah. As namadhatavah, see red arrow, the curved red arrow number 9 between pratipadikani and dhatavah. There are krudantaha. See prakriya number 6. And tigantaha. Prakriya number 7. For all dhatavah. From all these dhatavah, as is declared in the grey box, धातुभ्यः कृतः वा तिङः वा सदैव. कृतः वा तिङः वा सदैव. Avyayani have 3 sources. Avyayani by themselves, the krudantaha, tvantaha, lebantaha, tumantaha, nulantaha are avyayani by functions. And then upasargaha. Upasargaha are like avyayani when they appear stand alone, as in Vedic texts. It is by this logic that in Vaidika Vyakaranam, padani are of four types. Nipataha, that is avyayani. Namani, that is pratipadikani. Akhyataha, that is dhatavaha. And upasargaha. Since no pratyayaha are visible, upasargaha can be called avyayani. Then only three types of padani: avyayani, subantaha, tigantaha. Specimen study to check padani are avyayani, subantaha, tigantaha. Let us study following three shlokaha in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Yamimam pushpidam vacham pravadantya vipashchitaha vedavadarataha partha nanyadastiti vadinaha kama atmana swargapara janma karma phala pradam kriya avishesha bahulam bhogaishwarya gatim prati bhogaishwarya prasaktanam taya prahuta chetasam vyavasayatmika buddhis samadho na vidhiyate. These are shloka numbers 42, 43 and 44 from chapter number 2, Dvitiyodhyaya of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We must first separate out all padani by doing padacheda. Yam, imam, pushpitam, vacham, pravadanti, avipashchitaha, vedavadarataha, partha, na anyat asti, इति वादिनः कामात्मानः स्वर्गपराः जन्मकर्मफलप्रदां क्रियाविशेषबहुलां भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां तया अपहृतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते. Now let us make three groups of the padani as avyayani, subantaha, tigantaha. Since the subantaha are many, it will be good to group them by their vibhaktaya, because words of same vibhakti will be related to each other. First, avyayani, na iti prati na. Subantaha, prathamantaha, pullingam bahuvachanam, avipashchitaha, vedavadarataha, vadinaha, kamatmanaha, swargaparaha. नपुंसकलिंगम एकवचनम अन्यत, स्त्रीलिंगम एकवचनम व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि. द्वितीयांताः याम इमाम पुष्पितां वाचम जन्म कर्म फलप्रदां क्रियाविशेष बहुलां भोगैश्वर्य गतिम. तृतीयांताः तया. षष्ठ्यन्ताः अपहृतचेतसां भोगैश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां. सप्तम्यांताः समाधौ. संबोधनवाचकाः पार्थ. तिङन्ताः प्रवदन्ति अस्ति विधीयते. Since there are three tigantaha, we can paraphrase by the Sanskrit syntax of subject object verb SOV. The English syntax is different. It is subject verb and object, whereas in Sanskrit the sequence is subject object verb. So the clauses or sentences would be avipashchitaha vedavadartaha vadinaha कामात्मानः स्वर्गपराः याम इमाम पुष्पितां वाचम जन्म कर्म फलप्रदां भोगैश्वर्य गतिं प्रति क्रियाविशेष बहुलां प्रवदन्ति अन्यत् न अस्ति इति तया अपहृतचेतसां भोगैश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते. Actually the second clause अस्ति अन्यत् न इति is an object clause of the word vadinaha, that is why shown in the brown background, highlighting color. Also, the phrase with the conjunctive word yam here in 1a, makes the entire clause of the verb pravadanti a subclause of the main clause of the verb vidhiyate, which has a corresponding conjunctive word taya. See in 3, taya. By revised paraphrasing, अविपश्चितः वेदवादरताः कामात्मानः स्वर्गपराः अन्यत् न अस्ति इति वादिनः याम् इमां पुष्पितां जन्मकर्मफलप्रदां भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति क्रियाविशेषबहुलां वाचं प्रवदन्ति तया अपहृतचेतसां भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते. It is possible to validate by this very example subantaha of pratipadikani from tadhita pratyaya. For example, partha. Partha is from prutha, another pratipadik, prutha. Pruthayaha ayam iti partha. So, prutha is one pratipadikam, and with tadhita pratyaya we get partha, another pratipadikam. And partha has pullingam sambodhana ekvachanam, which is subanta. So subantaha pratipadikani from tadhita pratyaya. Then subantaha pratipadikani from samasaha. For example, avipashchitaha, vedavada na vipashchitaha iti avipashchita, na tatpurush, samasa. And avipashchita becomes the pratipadikam, and avipashchitaha, avipashchit is the pratipadikam, and from that avipashchitaha is pulling prathama bahuvachanam, asubantam. Likewise, vedavada rataha. Vedavada rata is the compound word, samasikam pratipadikam, and vedavada rataha is pullingam prathama bahuvachanam, subantam of the samasika pratipadikam. Subantaha of pratipadikani from krudantaha of dhatava. For example, pushpitam. Pushpa is the dhatu. From that pushpita is the krudanta. And its strilingam dvitiya ekvachanam is pushpitam. Subantam. Similarly, vacham. Vach is the dhatu. Vacha iti krudantam pratipadikam. And then vacham is strilingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Subanta. Subantaha pratipadikani from krudantaha of dhatavaha with upasarga. The example is bhogaishwarya prasaktanam. I have put the word bhogaishwarya into bracket to be able to focus on subantaha, prasaktanam, where prasakta is the pratipadikam with a dhatu pra plus saj, and prasaktanam is the subantam of that pratipadikam. I have given some examples, but shall not detail all that. There is a quote in Gita, Yah pashyati sa pashyati. He who sees, sees. I think it is a good diagram by virtue of the thought that padani are only 3 types. Avyayani, Subantaha, Tigantaha. That would bring some simplicity in study of Sanskrit, right? Only 3 types of Pradani. Shubhamastu.